Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Today we are seeing one of the topic OCR. Might be many people have implemented it, but I'm just giving a synopsis of OCR and what are the industries that gets benefited for implementing this. Another important thing to share is for our YouTube channel we have community tab. In that community tab I have published many Pega jobs or polls like that, and if any new video is there, that also I'm posting over here. So please do check out this community tab frequently. So whatever LinkedIn posts or some personal posts regarding jobs, I would be posting in this. Before going to video, I want to share that I am available in TopMate now. So if you want some Pega career guidance, or if you want some Pega mock interviews, or if you want some information on interview questions, whatever it is, you can reach me personally in this TopMate. You can book a video meeting with me so that I can have one-to-one chat with you guys. Let's get started into the topic. So, what is this OCR? OCR is nothing but optical character recognition. So, suppose we have a requirement like some users have filled some insurance form, and while they are scanned, we have to get the elements from that insurance form, and we have to create a case, and we have to map all the values to the case, and we need to create a case. So this respective thing, it involves a lot of manual intervention to avoid those scenarios. This OCR helps us a lot. And OCR, it's like extracting a text from an image or a PDF or scanned documents or even handwritten text. And this is very useful to automate our business. So, what are the industries that get beneficial for this OCR? Is few of the industries I'm mentioning over here, like healthcare. Suppose for patient records, online medicines ordered by clicking photo of medicine on logistics. So whenever we go and get an invoice of package tracking details, they can just scan it and they can input to the case. And the most frequently government thing like traffic chalana. So when you're driving a car or a bike, so your number plate will be get scanned, and it will be giving you the details of the respective owner details, and we are able to find the respective riders in some situations. And communication also, like we know that this Google Lens or something where we take a photo and we will translate that from French or Dutch or German, Swedish or whatever language it is to our own language that we know. And another thing is customer service. So by reading attachments like image, PDF, etc. for email and automating the business process. And for traveling, so we know that passport verification and for scanning boarding passes, etc. This optical character recognition is so useful for that. So what are the prerequisites to implement this in Pega? So normally in Pega we don't have direct solution, so we would be relying on some APIs. There are many industries who provide OCR APIs. Okay, there are few of them are like Google Vision API, Base 64, Clarify, Amazon Textract, Azure, and ABBYY, ABBY Intelligent Automation. So these are some of the companies who offer OCR API, and we can implement that. So I will be taking ABBY as a base example, and I will be telling you the prerequisites. So first of all, your prerequisite is your Pega version should be above 8.6. And another thing, ABBYY has introduced ABBYY Find Reader PDF 16. It's one of the application that needs to be installed on our server. This is the latest one, and in that we have one shell scripting file where we need to install that. And operating system should be Linux version or Ubuntu. And if you want to know more about this, I would be posting this link in our video description. You can go through it. So once this respect to is installed, then we need to move on to Pega component. So for a Pega component also, I would be giving you community link where you can install that, and you can go through it. And find reader installation, install Microsoft True Type fonts and required libraries, and config ld.so, which are like required for this ABBYY find reader PDF section, so that application can find all its native directories. And we need to log into Linux server where Pega is installed, and we have to extract this file from the Pega marketplace. So I would be giving this component URL also. Once everything is installed, we need to restart our Pega server for installing all the components. And for more like a freeware kind of thing, Google also has provided one API for us. I would be posting this link also, like this particular vision API, right? This directly extract and detect the documents, and the sample how to invoke this API and how to configure is also being posted in this respective link. So this is one of the useful link we can have. So these are the steps, and these are the APIs that are available in the industry. So if you already installed or have already worked on this respective thing, please feel free to comment on this video. So it will be useful for many viewers. So in coming videos, we can see how I have implemented this source here. For now, I have just given like a prerequisite and the information that I can provide by using ABBYY Find Reader PDF 16. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this content. As it is free of cost, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share your knowledge as well in comments.